Ang naging mensahe ng aktres na si Catherine Bernardo para sa kanyang mga fans matapos ang kanyang Star Magic contract signing ngayong Biyernes. Next to my fans, alam ko na naging mahirap din sa inyo especially last year. So many challenges. Ang dami nating pinagdaanan pero nandito ako, andito kayo, kaya natin, kinaya and kakayanin. So don't worry about anything, don't worry about me, saad ni Catherine. Andito pa rin ako and I will continue to make you proud and maraming salamat kasi kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, inintindi nyo lahat ng mga kailangan kong gawin and mga naging desisyon namin bilang tao, hindi bilang artista, pagpapatuloy niya. So yun yung pinakaregalo na mabibigay nyo sa akin so thank you for giving me that freedom to choose what would make me happy, wika pa ni Catherine. Samantalang may mensahe naman si Jericho Rosales kay Catherine. Hey Kat, I wanna congratulate you for the steps that you've been taking. I've been watching you and you've been doing great and I hope that we can work on something someday and we'd work on that. Promise, Kai. Adios. Namaste. Congratulations. Babosh, ika ni Jericho Rosales.